Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Math Sahab. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from inverse trigonometric functions, exercise 2.1 NCERT 12 Maths. That question is question number 12 equal to find the value of cos inverse 1 over 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 over 2. Now come out to solution. Solution equal to, here I shall write, given that cos inverse 1 over 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 over 2. This is the question which I have taken from exercise 2.1 inverse trigonometric functions NCERT 12 Maths. Given that cos inverse 1 over 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 over 2. Now here you can see cos inverse 1 over 2. This is the first term. You can write this is the first term. This is the first term you can write. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the second term. Second term you can write like this. Second term. What to do? First I shall take first term here. So here I shall write taking the first term. Taking the first term, here I shall write cos inverse 1 over 2. Cos inverse 1 over 2. So here you can see 1 over 2 is there. You know cos 60 degree equal to 1 over 2. Now here you can see 60 is in degree. 60 degree will be converted into radian. It will become, 180 degree equal to pi radian. Therefore 1 degree equal to pi over 180 radian. Therefore 60 degree equal to 60 into pi over 1 over 80 radian. Now this will be cancelled out. Here you will get pi by 3. Pi by 3 radian. So here you have got cos pi by 3 equal to 1 over 2. Cos pi by 3 over equal to 1 over 2. So here in place of 1 over 2, I can write cos pi by 3. So here I can write equal to cos inverse. In place of 1 over 2, I can write cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 3 I can write. Here you can see cos inverse. In place of 1 over 2, I can write cos pi by 3. So this is 3 cos pi by 3. Now here you have got cos inverse cos pi by 3. Cos inverse 1 over 2 equal to cos inverse cos pi by 3. You know the concept. Concept is cos inverse in bracket cos theta equal to theta. It will become when theta belong to closed interval 0 comma pi close interval. So here you can see cos inverse cos pi by 3 theta. So in place of theta pi by 3 is there. So here you can write theta equal to pi by 3 belong to close interval 0 comma pi. So here you can write imply that pi by 3 you can see the pi by 3 it will become 60 degree. The 60 degree belong to close interval 0 comma 180 degree. Now it is clearly confirmed that 60 degree will lie between 0 degree and 180 degree. Therefore cos inverse cos pi by 3 equal to pi by 3 it will become. Now here you have got cos inverse cos pi by 3 equal to pi by 3. Hence cos inverse 1 over 2 equal to pi by 3. Cos inverse 1 over 2 equal to pi by 3. This is the rough work. You can erase this one. After solving the correct thing, you can erase the rough work. Now here you have got cos inverse 1 over 2 equal to pi by 3. Now come out to next here. Here it is given second term. Here since 2 is constant being multiplied to sin inverse 1 over 2. The main second term will be sin inverse 1 over 2. So here I shall write sin inverse 1 over 2. Now find out the value of sin inverse 1 over 2. Here I can write equal to sin inverse sin 30 degree. You know the formula sin 30 degree equal to 1 over 2. In place of 1 over 2, I can write sin 30 degree. So now again you can write sin inverse 1 over 2 equal to sin inverse sin pi by 6. Because here pi by 6, so in place of pi you can write 180 degree. 180 degree over 6 comes out to 30 degree. Now here you have got sin inverse sin pi by 6. So now here I shall apply concept. Concept is sin inverse sin theta equal to theta. It will become when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. Sin inverse sin theta equal to theta it will become when theta belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. So here you can see sin inverse sin theta equal to pi by 6. So here theta equal to pi by 6 belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. So here you have to determine whether pi by 6 belong to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 close interval. So here you can see implied that pi by 6 it can become 30 degree. So 30 degree belong to close interval minus 90 degree comma 90 degree close interval. This means that 30 degree will lie between minus 90 degree and plus 90 degree. Hence, sine inverse sine pi by 6 equal to pi by 6 it will become. So here you have got cos inverse pi by 2. Cos inverse 1 over 2 equal to pi by 3. Here you have got sine inverse sine pi by 6 equal to pi by 6 you have got. Now what you will do next? Now come out to original question. Original question here you have got. Therefore cos inverse 1 over 2 plus 2 sine inverse 1 over 2 it will become. Here you can see cos inverse 1 over 2 in place of cos inverse 1 over 2 can be written as pi by 3. So here I shall write pi by 3 plus in place of sine inverse 1 over 2 I can write pi by 6. So here 2 is there, here I shall write 2. In bracket I shall write pi by 6 because sine inverse 1 over 2 equal to pi by 6. Now solve this one. So here you will get pi by 3 plus this one you can see 2 over 6. 2 3 are 6, it comes out to pi by 3. So here you will get pi by 3. Both will be added together. You will get a correct answer 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 will be the correct answer of question number 12.